All right, welcome back. So, in the last video, still on the same tab, I showed you some simple queries you can use Fetch XML and Advanced Query tab in our new MDPM application, where you can use it to go into Dynamic 365 application and get deeper insight. In this particular video, I'm going to take it one step further to show you advanced queries you can run to get deeper insight into your data. So what do I have now? Working with exactly what we did before, I'm just going to take it one step further. In this particular table that you're aware of, I want to see how can I go into this table and count the number of records that are not equals to my data that I'm going to ingest now. So it might sound confusing, but watch me while I achieve this. So I have this, let's say for example, I'm going to make this very super simple in the beginning. Let's say I'm trying to achieve this. I'm just going to close that up. What this does in front of you, as you can see, I am in department 1, new department 1, which I have selected here. I'm trying to bring out, okay, there's a column called new department name that you're aware of. I want to count and also aggregate where the department 1, that is an entry in department 1, is not equals to the name department 1. So I'm just going to go down a little bit. You remember I did bring the data out. As you can see, there is department here. Let me go up once more again. Where is not department 1? All right, that's what I'm trying to achieve to the count. You can see there's department 1, there's department 1, department 1, all in different rows in this particular column. But my task here is to count the number of entries that are not called department 1. So let's run this query
Might
and
have a
see.
checkmark query executed.
That went successfully. Let's see. It's saying amongst the list of records I have there, 43 of them are do not have a record called department 1. It could be for any use case that you want to have this. Now this is just a simple query. We can expand this particular query in different ways. You might have a company that have frequent checks on data. What do we have on the system, so we can know what we need to kind of remove or ingest or don't ingest, or it's kind of a way of counting the filters or tasks to be given to a particular staff. Now have a look at this. This is now a complex one. What is it doing? I just simply built up on the first thing I did, which not equals to department 1. As you can see, I added department 2, I added also department 3, I added more and more and more, so you can have a kind of unlimited list here. Let's run this and see what it will
Might
give
have a
us.
checkmark query executed.
And it has done it. It's now telling us that what it has done, 34 of the entries there are not part of this list that I have. How interesting is that? So you can dive deeper and run deeper inside complex queries, depends on your use case. So that's that about this particular use case scenario. Let's go further. What if I want to say, example, I've been given a task and my objective really is to say, hey, I would like to know only a count or return the data really of the records that are not this, not department 1 or department 2. Bring out the other records but not this. So let's
Crossmark
run
could
this
not
query and
find a
see.
property named new underscore department
All right,
on type
there's an error here because I'm
Microsoft.dynamics.crm
calling a
new
different
underscore
table name.
department
So
1.
I've done that right
White
now.
heavy checkmark
Now
query
that ran
executed.
well. Let's see. As you can see, it has brought out every other one. Don't forget, let's go up so we're not, if you can see, not department 1 or department 2. Now it has returned the other ones that are not department 1 or department 2. As you can see, look. To make it very clear, let's say, for example, we are looking at a task in front of us. Go and get what is not D04, for example. Let's go up. Let's put, we can kind of create a new one here. So let's just bring this down, bring a new one. I think you can see how easy it is to use this system. Just plug
White
it
heavy
there and let's
checkmark
run the
query
query.
executed.
And that's done. And now, what are we expecting? We're not supposed to see D04. And you can see D04 is not in the list. So this is kind of a kind of filtering way how you can use Fetch XML in our application, and you can see it works perfectly fine to achieve whatever you wish to achieve. So these are part of the advanced queries you can run, unlimited really. Have a look at any AI that you have, or any documentation that you have on Fetch XMS and achieve what you want to achieve with our application easily in Dynamics 365 environment. Thank you very much.